What is up? In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some Tech Deck Performance Series. I was online on Target's website and I saw that they got them back in stock. I was able to get 4 different graphics. A big shout out goes to the Target employee who packed these so nicely. First one up is this blind board, a really cool mosaic design, really cool details. So far from this new series, I've been able to get almost one of each. There are 6 designs, and the only one that I have not been able to get is the crooked eyes. And if you haven't already seen, in my last video, I upgraded the Santa Cruz Performance Series into a professional fingerboard by reshaping it as well as giving it upgraded parts. I had a lot of fun upgrading the board, and I was really happy with the results, and I might actually upgrade one more of these. Let me know in the comments, out of the new boards that I just got in, which one you want to see me upgrade next. This primitive board looks a lot better in person, and it is more of a purple and black colorway with what looks like to be a skyline. Pretty cool design. And this Plan B, I noticed, looks more like a yellow and black, but in person it's definitely more of a gold paint, and it's even kind of reflective or shiny like gold. Another really cool design. Out of all the boards, I was most excited about the Toy Machine graphic with the monster and the natural wood behind it, but on the actual deck, they, for some reason, chose a solid color. Still looks pretty cool, but I think it would have looked even cooler with the natural wood. Overall, really nice haul, and I was super excited to get almost all of the different designs online all at once. Let me know what you think in the comments below if you like videos like these, if you want to see more. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It's completely free, as well as giving a thumbs up. It's a great way to help support the channel without paying any money whatsoever. And also make sure to check out my last video where I upgrade a Tech Deck Performance Series into a professional fingerboard. Definitely a worthy investment if you have one of these. And until next time, peace.